don't mind my hair in this video. It's kind of doing what it wants to do. I just washed it and just put it in a bun for this video, but I did want to bring you guys this quick video to talk about my new favorite foundation. So, as you guys know, in the past I wore Lancome and then I went to Fenty Beauty shade 400. I absolutely love that foundation, but I do have another foundation that I really love, and it's the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup, and I got mine in the color Sandalwood. So this is the little bottle right here. And I absolutely love this foundation. It's probably the best foundation I've ever used as far as full coverage and staying in place and just staying there all day long. I absolutely love it. It's a little bit more pricier than the Fenty, but it's around the same price as the Lancome. I paid this about $42, and I did get mine at Ulta Beauty. And so I basically just went in there and I just wanted a new foundation. So the makeup tech was like, I know exactly what you're looking for. I told her I just wanted something matte that can cover up all of my dark spots in my face, and she was like, I have just the foundation. What I love about this is that it's definitely full coverage and matte like it says. It does not have any type of oily finish. It just looks really matte and really nice on the skin. It goes on pretty smoothly, I would definitely say that, and it does stay in place. So I noticed with the Fenty Beauty and all the other makeups that I use, put it on my face and I didn't really clean my hands well, and then I noticed on my shirt I see makeup, and then like on my purse I see makeup. You just see makeup everywhere. But with this foundation, I don't see any trace of makeup on my fingers, on my clothes, anything like that. I can hug people and my makeup is not going anywhere. So that's what I absolutely love about this. Now, being that it's $42, I really didn't mind paying for it because these foundations last a long time, but it does not include a pump. So if you're a person that loves to have the nice little pump on your foundation, this is not the one. You have to buy the pump separately. So that's the only thing that I really do not like about this. Mine is kind of messy, but this is pretty much how it looks. So it does not come with a pump. I just simply pour mine out when I get ready to use it, which is not the best idea, but it still works if you know how to be careful and just use a little bit at a time. It'll definitely last you a long time. But if you're a person that needs a pump, it is sold separately, and that's pretty much the only con I can say about this foundation. I think as far as price wise, it does its job, so I don't really think that it's not worth the price. So if you're looking for something full coverage, I definitely do recommend you guys to go ahead and purchase this product. But I really just wanted to come on here and just to show you guys how it looks. I'm not going to talk anymore in the video. I'm going to just go ahead and let it play and let you guys see the makeup on my face. But I hope you guys do enjoy this mini review, and I'll see you guys next time. Remember to give this a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel.